Our first visualization comes from the World Cup. We've been pretty jazzed about the World Cup in our office here, so we thought this was pretty appropriate. You can find a link to this graphic in the instructor notes. Take a minute or two to review the graphic and ask some questions about the data so you can get a feel for how this graphic is working. Once you're ready, I'd like you to determine how some of the variables are encoded visually in the graphic. You'll choose one of these visual encodings for one particular variable. So, for example, for country, how is it encoded in the graphic? Is it an angle? Is it by length, orientation, or some other choice? Write that answer in this box, and then choose another visual encoding for each of these other variables. Be aware that you can use multiple visual encodings for each of the variables. In other words, you can reuse a visual encoding as an answer here.